Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin at the door terminal. Do this now. Equip the quest item and approach the console so you can interact without delay. Once done, clear immediate hostiles and move into position. Make sure you can reach the keypad and any linked terminals. You do not need extra companions, but one NPC can hold aggro while you work. This first step primes the door electronics. It also ensures the scripted event can trigger without interruption or animation glitches. You now activate the console and choose the vault door control. Press the interact key and follow the menu prompts. Once chosen, look for any linked terminals and synchronize them. Some vaults require multiple activations. If an animation starts, stay within interaction range and avoid sprinting. Moving too soon can cancel the sequence. If a companion is present, tell them to wait. This ensures the door motor sequence advances past the midpoint and avoids common soft locks. You finish by letting the door complete its full cycle. Step inside only after the animation ends to avoid clipping. Once inside, secure the area and proceed with your objective. If the door fails to open, reload the last autosave or quicksave from under 30 seconds. This often resets the scripted event. If reloading fails, disable mods affecting animations or UI, or use console commands as a final fix. These steps
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.